you thinking about getting a new mortgage? It doesn't matter if it's a purchase or a refinance. There are things that you do not want to do when you're getting a new mortgage, and it could affect you from qualifying for your new home loan. Hi, I'm Rebecca Foote from the Rebecca Foote Mortgage Team, and I have personally done millions, and I mean millions of dollars in mortgages. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 things that you do not want to do when getting a mortgage. I know some of them might seem like common sense, but I promise you, people have done them all. Number 1, do not take out new credit. Anytime you have your credit report pulled, we are notified. Your credit is monitored throughout the entire mortgage process. So we know if you have your credit report pulled for any reason at all. So if you go and take out a new car loan, a new student loan, you go and buy a new lawnmower, now you have to qualify for that mortgage carrying that new debt that you just took out. And this could keep you from qualifying. Number 2, do not change your job. I know this seems like common sense, but people do this. And in some rare cases, it is okay to change your job, but you need to talk to your mortgage advisor first. But if you think about it, we're using your income for qualifying for the new loan. And if you change your job, you could be going from taking a salary position to a commission-only job. And now all of a sudden, that's income we cannot use for your new loan. So you need to make sure you're talking with us before you accept that new position. So please do not change your job, do not quit your job, and do not turn in a notice of termination without talking to us. But even if you hate your job, or even if you hate your boss, please, please, please wait until after closing to change your job. Number 3, do not have any large deposits into your bank account, especially cash deposits. You see, any large deposits into your bank account have to be sourced, and there is no way to source cash deposits. So cash deposits are just a no-no. But large deposits, we have to source them, which means we have to find out where the money came from and then get copies of the checks. Or if it's from a donor, we have to get copies of their bank statements and prove it's gift funds. So it's just easiest and cleaner if we don't have any large deposits into your bank accounts. Number 4, do not spend money that you need for a settlement. Yes, another common sense thing, but we've had people do this. You need your money to come to settlement on settlement day. So please do not lend that to somebody else, because what if they don't repay you back in time? Number 5, please do not transfer money from one bank account to another. Again, we have to source where all your money's coming from. So the more transfers you have from bank account to bank account, it's just more paperwork for you and for us. So if you can please limit your transfers, it just makes the process that much smoother. Number 6, do not co-sign for anybody else. This goes back to not letting anybody or you using your credit. You see, if you co-sign for somebody else's car or student loan, now all of a sudden we have to qualify you carrying that new debt. So again, do not co-sign for anybody else. Number 7, do not stop making your current mortgage payment or stop paying any other bills that you're obligated to. And this is especially true on a refinance. You see, just because you applied for a new mortgage does not mean you can stop paying your old mortgage. Remember, we're monitoring your credit, and that will affect your credit score if you stop paying your bills. So make sure you continue paying all of your current obligations during the mortgage process. Number 8, do not close any credit cards or increase or decrease any lines of credit during the mortgage process. Again, we're monitoring your credit, so if you close a bunch of credit cards, that could affect your credit score. And you do not want to increase or decrease any lines of credit, because if we are doing a refinance and we are paying off that line of credit or subordinating it, it could definitely affect your new loan. So please do not touch any of your credit. Number 9, please do not borrow money from anybody, even if it's from a non-bank source like a family member, without speaking to us first. There are situations where you can borrow money from family, but we need to be looped in on this because there are certain mortgage rules that we have to abide by. So please make sure you're talking to us before you're borrowing money from anybody else. And number 10 is for refinances. Do not pull on your home equity line of credit during the refinance process. You see, we are doing something with that line of credit, whether it's paying it off or subordinating it when it comes to your new loan. So we cannot have you borrowing against it in addition to what we already know, or it's going to affect your new mortgage. So please do not borrow against your home equity line of credit during the refinance process. By not doing these 10 things, you can help ensure a smooth mortgage process. And it's never too early to get your financial house in line, whether you're looking to buy or refinance now, 6 months from now, or later into the future. Buying a home can be extremely exciting, but is first and foremost an investment. Make sure you check out the rest of my videos to learn more. Your house is one of your biggest investments and you don't want to go at this alone. So make sure you reach out to my team to walk you through the home buying or refinance process. I'm Rebecca Foote with the Rebecca Foote Mortgage Team, and we would love to help you get your foot in the door of your new home or your new mortgage.